Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I'm going to talk about Apple. You know, Apple is consolidated, and again, it's at a key pivotal point that I like. So let me talk about Apple first. So Apple is set up to test 195 to 198 in the short term. Okay, big picture, though, people. 200 to 208, much higher. Oh, poor stock cloud, and wait till it goes to 200 stock cloud. How you gonna get squished? Telling people to sell at 140. You know, I've been making a lot of great winning option plans, great gains and options. So many winning plans and options. The big picture expert, just like the great gains I made in BA, people. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you, people. I'm gonna show you a power trigger trade. So Apple needs to, I will explain inside the video the fact, that's right, people. Listen, inside of Power Group Trades, I'm going to post an entry point and the options that I want to use for the next Apple trade people. All right now? So, before we get into that, so let me show you what I mean, people. Let me show you. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades. You know, people, if you scroll in my videos over here, right, you look for the May 16 live stream, right? It'll explain you how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. But if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you want to come to my live streams, I'll always explain how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. You want to study, like, I don't want just anybody in Power Group. It has to be people that really like my work, that are not lazy, that are serious about the market, that want to make dollar bills. A lot of clowns out there, a lot of lazy people. They're just going to fail in life anyways, no matter who's behind them. But if you fail with the big picture expert, you're in big trouble. I warned you. You better study what I tell you to do. You do. You study, because the big picture expert, I'm the one who said about the market going higher right when everybody was still bearish in April 14. You go check out my live stream. See right over here, Spider 300. You go check out that video. And I told you, study my creative playlist. All right, people. If you have a YouTube account, if you don't have one, get one. Subscribe manually. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture of me? You're going to see it in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. That's right, people. I've made a lot of great winning plans in Apple. Listen, people, let me show you something. All right, people, here we are at Power Target Trades, my website. That you can find that link on my YouTube channel. Check out this video. Oh, what a great story. What a great story. Options that cost $500 to 4K. Check this out. Oh, it's mind-blowing. And this was in difficult market conditions. There's just people so wrong. I'm a big picture expert. That's why I catch these gains. And if you scroll down, check out this Apple, one of my last plans. I made other plans, but this is a good one. Apple, powerful in tough times. 300 great and 300%. This is an amazing story. You want to check it out. Power Trigger Trade, the big picture expert. Once again, now, is this option trade going to be as big? No, not really. You know, I'd be happy with 100% gains, 150% gains, but there is potential, I see, if we can confirm my plan. All right, people. So let's go back to So here we are back. So this is the link to Power Target Trades. So here we are back at Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. So I'm going to speak to you right now. You're going to see that picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Let's see what I say.
Power Trigger Trade Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.